Hi, you guys. I'm here and I'm getting ready to do another sweet potato. I'm gonna try to get two in here before this rain. Okay, so stick with me. Let's see what I got. And after I get through with these two, there'll still be another video coming. So hang in there. If you knew this is the end of season here in upstate New York, stick around. You won't be disappointed. I have over 100 containers and I've been growing everything from seed, except for like sweet potatoes and trees and stuff like that. But all my vegetables, stick around. I think you're going to like this channel. Go check out some of my older videos. Okay? All right, let's get started. Okay, so here we are with this container. Let me make sure this is going here. Hold on, y'all. I got to double check because I don't want to be going and it ain't going. Oh, yeah, it's going. All right. Sorry about that, but you don't want to be thinking you're recording and you're not. Okay. All right. So I'm going to start over here. It looks like there's 1, 2, 3. I think there's 3 in here. Wait. Yeah. I think there's 3. All right. I like to let you know what I got, what I had in here. And I didn't do anything except for just plant them. Put a little bone meal and cow manure, and that was it. Okay. And, took care of them, watered them and stuff. But toward the end here, when it got cold, I didn't water. I just let them get watered by nature. Okay, this is the grow bag. I don't think I feel anything else right here. And I don't want to go past this area because then I'll be stabbing. I might be stabbing other potatoes. Okay, so let me lay out my tarp, which I forgot to do. Put these on, but it's right here. So let's lay this out here. Give me a second, y'all. It's so windy that you can't put stuff down until the last minute. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, this is nice. I'm not going to keep those. But these here. And as you can see, one of them got broke off, so I don't know where that piece is that go to that. There's a piece that go to that piece. And I don't see it here. So that's telling me that there's something there. I'll keep that piece. And I think it might have been on something next to it, so that's why I didn't try to go in too far because I'm trying not to tear everything up. Okay, there goes something. Ah, I was trying to see was that the piece it broke off of, but it's not. But this might be. There's something right here that was breaking on me. Yeah, it broke off. This could be the piece that broke off of that, or this could just be a broken piece that just broke. I don't know. I'll just check everything, double check at the end, and hopefully got all the pieces. All right. Well, let's see. I feel something right here. I don't know if it's just compacted soil or what. Sorry for that neighbor's dog, but I'm going to try to see about taking that out of the background sound out of this video, and hopefully you won't have to hear that when the final edit. Okay, I'm gonna take that part off. And so this is what we have. That's a nice one. And then I have these here, which definitely usable. Okay. All right, so move that back out of the way and get over here to this one. Get to this one and see. As you can see, hopefully you can see this here. I don't think you can see it. Let me see if I can move it around. Let me see, put my hand right here. Yeah, just a part that you can't see. Let's see, put my hand over here. Yeah, I think it needs to be down a little bit. Hold on. I don't think that did any better. I'll show them to you. I can't really see because I'm kind of looking sideways at it. Can't see. But anyway, this is how here with some potatoes in it. And I'm trying to get them without tearing them up. Okay. Oh, that's very good. Let's see what else we got over here. Feeling stuff. Oh. Well. These were all came off of it. Looks like one potato. Along with that big one. Can you see it? And this one. I mean, let's see. All of these were together. Okay. And this one. Then I got this. Let me get out some of this little stuff like this. And then I got to double check this area. Okay, here's one that came out of there. Okay, let me try to get over here. Sorry about my scarf if it's in the way, but I need to have that on because it's it's cold. Okay, so I'm gonna get this out of here and then I'll double check this whole container and see if there's anything that I forgot or missed. Okay, these little ones like these little pieces like this, I think I can use them. Okay. All right, so let me, okay, here's one. a little piece that I think I can use too. Okay. Just try to make sure that I get this corner over here. There you go. Let's get back over. This is just a double check now. Double check. Make sure there's nothing that I can feel that I missed. Okay, it's a little piece here. I think I could use that little piece. Okay, I checked over there. Now let's check here. Okay. Just checking for sure that there's nothing here, y'all. I don't want to be leaving no good potatoes in here. Uh-oh. See that? A piece came up and I done ripped something. I done put a hole in it, but that's all right. They're going to get used right away. Either processed or eaten. I don't try to store them too long because usually I use them up. So this worked out really good with the sweet potatoes that I got that did not have a root on them. And I put them directly in here. I didn't even like try to root them inside in some water. I didn't do any of that. I took them and put them right in this soil. And this, you'll be seeing the final results of what I got from that. And I've been showing you in all my videos how they looked growing. See, that's why you have to do the double check. I found little pieces, and those are very edible pieces that I don't want to leave in here. So I don't know what that is. Is that a grub? No, that's some fertilizer. Oh no, that might be some what do you call it? Perlite. There's a piece over in this corner. I'll keep that piece. I'm thinking about what somebody said about you can fry these little ones. I've never done that before. I try to stay away from a lot of fried food, but every once in a while it's okay. Mm. Got to be careful with this dirt flying. A couple of times it felt like it was pretty close to my eye. I blinked in enough time. Okay. Now put these up here so you can see what I got out of this container. And we'll move on to the next one, all right? If you got any questions, put them in the comments below, okay? And go ahead, hit the thumbs up, you guys. Okay, you guys, here's what I got out of this grow bag. I'm very pleased, very pleased. Look at this great big one here, very big. And then these all connected together. Yeah, I got some good eating potatoes out here. Very pleased with this. This is just I think this is a 15-gallon grow bag. So this is one of my smaller grow bags. Okay. All right, let's go look at the other one. All right. Okay. Looks like I got 1, 2, 3, 4 in this grow bag. Okay. Let's get going on this one. See what I have. Start right here. I think you can see this one. Ooh, something all along the side here. Tried to go along the side and I couldn't really get that. Couldn't really get this spot here. Something is there. Okay. Let's try to see what I can do here. Loosen it up a little bit. Loosen it up a little bit. Hey, this is what come out of there. Y'all see it? This is what's come out of there. Oh, so see, I got this long one here, that one next to it, and then these two connected. And it was something else that broke off. We'll see what that was, okay? There's any more down in here. Next, in this spot, in this spot. Okay. I feel something just right here. Let me see what that is. Okay, I got a couple of little pieces. I'm not gonna mess around in that spot too much. Because we can come back and double check that. Okay. I think I'll keep that little piece. I'm gonna see if I can turn this back. All right, so I'm gonna do this one. Can you still see? Okay. I'm gonna do this one right here. All right, let's see. Let me try to loosen it up. Hmm. I feel one down here. Okay. And this is what I'm getting out of this end over here. This grow bag feel kind of dry. Lay that right there while I try to see if I got any more to come out of here. Okay, so this is what we got out of here. Oh, I kind of feel a little sprinkle, y'all. Let's pray. Lord, please let me finish this, please. Let me be able to finish it and get my potatoes in the house. Okay, so that's what I got there, y'all. Yeah. I told you I was, maybe I didn't tell you. It's been raining every day, and it's going to rain all this week. And so I had to try to get out here in between this rain, and there's no sun shining down, so and there's a wind, so that makes it cold. So I'm just trying to, let's see here, trying to, and I'm doing it differently. I don't know if I said it in this video, but I'm doing it differently this year because I'm protecting my arm that's injured, and I didn't want to lift these up and down, so I'm doing it this way. For anybody who has been watching my videos and know how I normally do stuff and know that this is different. It is different. Okay, here's something down here. Let's see if we can get that up. Sorry about the neighbor's dog over there making all the noise. Okay, so this is what I have here. That's a nice one. All these are usable. Every last one of them are usable. The real little ones I won't keep, but the other ones are real. Somebody told me she fries hers. Now I'm gonna see what that's like. She says she fries them little bitty ones. I've never done that before. I gotta stand up, y'all. There's something right over here. I'm trying to rush now. Oh, yeah, there's a whole thing right here. Okay. Because not only I got to be able to get my other sweet potatoes that I got laid out and get them in. So, all right. Well, look what we got here. All right. See, let me get down here where I can see what you can see. Okay. I think you can see these. Just rip some of these roots off. I think they get the roots on there because, they were ready to be harvested. That's okay. I'm thankful I got them here in upstate New York. I'm here in upstate New York, zone 6B, and I am harvesting sweet potatoes in mid-November. How about that, you guys? How about that? These were planted a little bit later. I didn't know what I would get. Um, this container has I think a mixture because some of my Georgia Jets died, and then I had some Beauregards that was mine, my slips, and I put them in here. And I think I can tell the difference between my slips and the Beauregards. I can tell the difference because that's why I had bought the Beauregards. Mine wasn't doing that good anymore. So I wanted something different. I wanted some different stock. And I'm very pleased with these Georgia Jets. Very pleased. So I think that's the kind of sweet potato that I should be growing in my garden. That's what I'm going to be growing from now on. Sorry that my arm is in front of you, but that's the way it's situated out here. It's not wide open where I can just put it anywhere I want to. Hmm. I keep telling myself, don't throw that way. The wind is blowing that way. And what do? I throw that way. Okay, I think I done checked most of it. Okay, I'm going to lay everything out and let you see what I got, okay? Okay, so that's what I got out of this grow bag. I'm very pleased with my total, how my sweet potatoes have done this year. Check out all my sweet potato videos and you will see the total of what I got this year. Very, very good. Okay, you like the video, go ahead, give me the thumbs up, y'all, for all my hard work and freezing out here. Okay, check out my channel. If you like it, go ahead, subscribe, you guys. All right, see you next time. Bye-bye.